In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Chatgpt Canvas. Everything you need to know. If you're ready to unlock a new level of engagement with AI, you're in for a treat. This guide will take you through the simple steps to access the Chatgpt Canvas, enriching your interaction with the dynamic and innovative platform. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Chatgpt in your browser. If you're already familiar with using Chatgpt, you'll know that it typically greets you with an interface ready for starting a new chat. So, once you're there, your first order of action is to initiate a new chat. This option should be easily visible on the screen, often located prominently so you can jump right into your conversation with the AI. The magic phrase you're going to type is "switch to canvas mode." It might sound simple, but these words work like a charm when it comes to transforming your ChatGPT experience. As you type them into the chat box, you're essentially telling the AI, "Hey, let's try something different. Let's switch things up." Think of this as a special command that unlocks the Canvas Mode feature, which offers a fresh way to interact with the AI. Now, as soon as you press enter, it's time to sit back and let the AI do its thing. Within a few moments, your interface should change accordingly, bringing you into the Canvas mode. You might be wondering what's different about this mode. Picture a virtual canvas, a space that's not just about text exchanges, but integrates a more visual and interactive dimension. This approach allows you to work side by side with the AI in a manner that's both engaging and intuitive. It's ideal for brainstorming sessions, project mapping, or any scenario where visualizing ideas could help in understanding and expanding them. And just like that, all is set. With your new ChatGPT Canvas mode activated, you're now ready to explore the possibilities it offers. Whether you're planning on sketching out ideas for a new project, collaborating on creative tasks, or just experimenting with what this mode can do, the potential applications are as varied as your imagination. As you work with it, remember that this is about enhancing your productivity and expression, making interactions with the AI not just a back and forth of words, but a dynamic co-creation process. Now that you know how to access ChatGPT Canvas, feel free to explore and make the most out of this powerful tool. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, the support team is ever ready to help you navigate through any queries you might have. Embrace the learning curve and, most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.